So the number one and two questions I'm getting right now about credit repair are: one, how long does it take? And two, can everything really be removed? So the number one and two questions I'm getting right now about credit repair are: one, how long does it take? And two, can everything really be removed? So the credit repair process, which entails completely removing any inquiries and negative items on your credit, can take up to 6 months. However, the average case takes about 60 to 90 days. The next question regarding exactly what can be removed: basically every negative item, regardless of if it's an eviction, a repossession, a bankruptcy, a defaulted student loan, a collection account, you name it, all of the above. The next question I'm getting is about trade lines, and if you need a trade line and you want to purchase a trade line. Before you focus on adding a trade line to your credit, you need to focus on credit repair. Another thing is that you may not need to purchase a trade line to get to where you're trying to go credit wise. You may be able to add free trade lines to your credit and reach the same goal just as fast. So you're probably wondering, well, how do you start the process? Obviously, the first step in repairing your credit is assessing where your credit is right now. The software that we use for that is called Identity IQ, and there is a direct link to my profile in the bio where you can open up a profile, give me your information, and I can go immediately into the profile and look at your credit report as reported to the 3 credit bureaus, and from there counsel you about, what my recommendation would be in terms of getting you in the 700s as quickly as possible. Another question that is a good question is, why should I go with you versus another credit repair company or credit repair person? And I would say what I bring to the table that's unique is my experience both in the tax world and in the small business world. I think that when most people look into their credit, it's typically because they're seeking to purchase a home or a car or start a business, and I happen to be an expert in a few of those areas. The next thing is, I think I just have a proven track record as a business professional who is committed to getting results for her clients. Besides that, I have invested now over $15,000 in educational programs related to credit and the details of credit and understanding the different laws related to credit. And that's something that people don't understand because they say, oh, I went to this other credit person. That you went to this other credit person. The problem is you don't per se know if that person was using the most aggressive strategies and even the most up-to-date strategies in dealing with the nuances of your specific case and what your specific goals are. So I think I bring a very modern and relevant understanding of credit to people who need resources now to get their lives to the next level, especially in the context of the pandemic and people needing options to start over, or even just get started for the first time.